Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to another session of P5 Math. Alright, so my name is Coach Mo. Alright, welcome to today's live. Okay, so today we're gonna do a bunch of topics in our Kahoot actually. Alright, but the main outcome that I want y'all to achieve from today is to understand about internal transfer problem sums. Alright, especially those questions where they mention like, oh, Ali gave Bala, okay, where they give to each other in the question. Alright, yes, Dila, I think there is a money question today. Okay, yeah, so the aim for today is to understand those questions and how you can tackle those questions easily. Alright, okay, so before that, do help us share the live. Click that arrow button, okay, share it with your friends. Okay, hello Haji. Alright, share it with your friends, share it with your classmates, share it with your cousins, share it with your siblings, okay. Whoever you want to share, you can share it with them, okay. The Kahoot is open for everyone. Alright, not just P5. But yeah, today's question is, I would say, a mixture, okay. There is some fractions multiplication question, there's some order of operations question, there is a area of triangle question, and lastly the main event, which is the internal transfer questions. Alright, so in the meantime, do help us share, okay. At the same time, spam the screen for likes. Okay, how to convert mixed number to improper. Remember, the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. Okay, is that cycle. The denominator multiplied by the whole number, multiply, then after that add to the numerator. That will be your new numerator in your improper fraction. Then the denominator stay the same. Okay? Alright? Okay, don't worry. Some people just need to remind themselves. Okay? Okay, so now it's okay to remind, but must remember before going to exams. Okay? Alright, come on guys. Do help us share. Okay? Get the viewers up. Okay, at the same time, we can get more people into the Kahoot. And then we'll have more fun. Alright. Okay, what's my goal? Alright. If possible, 10K before we begin the Kahoot. Okay, 10K in 10 minutes if possible. Alright, so get more people to join. Get the likes up, okay? And also for those who doesn't have the worksheet with you right now, you can actually go to our Telegram group here. You see on top of my head here, MasterMaths PSLE. The P5 worksheet is also uploaded there. Alright, so you can download and then read up on the questions first. Okay. At the same time, after the live, we'll be uploading the solutions also. Okay, but don't worry, at the end, I will go through the solutions also. Alright, so do stay till the end. Okay, and then after that, I'll go through the solutions. Alright, if it's not there, then you can try this Telegram group. If it's not there, then maybe you need to wait a while later lah. Alright, for now, just refer to my screen first. Okay. Alright. Okay, those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 285523. Okay, you can remember it as 285523. Alright, so those who are in this live already, come on in, join the Kahoot. I cannot log in because I'm using iPad. Oh, you're watching the TikTok on iPad also, is it? You can like what Mufazi mentioned also. Okay, split screen, yeah. Alright, you can open the Kahoot on your browser, and then while watching the stream on TikTok, what you need to answer, you just go to your browser. Okay, never mind. Okay, difficulty is okay, but you need to practice more. Okay, don't have the thing. Okay, you don't have the browser, is it? Okay, so getting getting AL7 means it is a sign. Okay, it is a sign for you to practice more. All right. Okay, there is Safari, right, on your iPad. There's an app called Safari. You can use that. Alright, those who are here, join us at www.kahoot.it and enter 285523. Okay, at the same time, do continue to help us to share the live. Okay, at the same time, spam the screen. Alright, get it up. Okay, it's already almost 2,000. Okay, if we can get it higher, we can easily hit that target of 10,000 before we begin the Kahoot. Alright, so in the meantime, do help us to share. Okay, if you have like WhatsApp groups, okay, or you know your cousins or siblings that are still in school, you want to compete with them, okay, send them this link to the TikTok live, okay, and then ask them to join the Kahoot also. Okay, yeah, WAs are usually not 100 marks lah, it's usually 25 marks, yeah. So to calculate your marks, you need to convert it to percentage, okay, which I think some of you may already learn or not. You may, oh, yours is out of 100, okay. Alright. Oh, so I think that is already like a mid-year exam already, not like a WA. Alright, come on, do share, okay? So today we'll be focusing on area of triangle, fractions, multiplication, order of operations, and the main part of today is internal transfer problem sums. Okay? Yes, can. Okay, anyone can play. Alright? Just go to the www.kahoot.it and enter 285523. Okay, come on in. Okay, exam finish also, come on, challenge yourself. Alright, okay, I'll be starting in about 3 more minutes. Okay, come on in. Anyone else want to join? Alright, thank you for all those who are sharing the live. Okay, and those who are on this live, okay, come on, challenge yourself and join this Kahoot at www.kahoot.it and enter 285523. Alright, come on in. Okay, so but those who are already here, stay on, okay, until the end, and I will go through the solutions at the end. Alright, no, this is not my house. This is just a background. Alright, thank you again for all those who share. And do not click on that link, okay? Alright, so a bit about me before we begin. Okay, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, I've been with MasterMaths for quite some time, okay? For, I think about since 2017, yeah. So I've been constantly doing classes for the primary students. Okay, the P3, P4, P5, P6. Alright, no, the Coach Mo is not spelled M-O-E. Alright, it's spelled just M-O. Alright, so in 1 more minute, I'll begin. Okay, so anyone else joining, quickly join in now. Okay, if not, I'll begin in about 30 more seconds. Yes, Sec 1 also can join. Okay, you can test how much you remember your P6 and P5 math. Okay, anyone else joining? Sec 4 also come on in. Okay, test yourself. Alright, why cannot? Can, okay? Can test yourself, see how much you remember your primary school math. Okay, anyone else joining? I'll begin in about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, anyone else? 1. Okay, how you know I'm gonna eat McDonald's after this? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, don't worry, there's a buffer here. For those who are joining, come on, just join. Okay, the pin will be up here. 285523. 285523. Come on in. 285523. Okay, is everyone ready? I'll be pressing next in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 more seconds to get started from the first question. Okay, and I forgot to mention one more thing. Alright, again, the winner for today, the top scorer for today will be getting yourself a $10 popular voucher. Okay? Alright, anyone else joining? If not, next. Alright, what is the value of the following? 15 plus 25 divided by 5 minus 4 times 4. Okay, what is the value or what is the answer to this question? Right? Come on, remember, what is the order of operation? What should you do first? Right? Remember, it's the brackets, then multiply or divide, then plus or minus. But how do you apply it to this question? Okay, correct. Okay, the code is 285523. The code is 285523. Let me put it on the chat. 285523. Alright, once you have selected your answer, do spam the screen, okay, to send the likes. Alright, come on. 15 plus 25 divided by 5 minus 4 times 4. So what is the answer? Is it 16? Is it 4? Is it 64? Or is it 12? Or none of the above? Which one? Okay, but there's no option here for none of the above. Those who selected 16, are you sure? Okay, yes, the answer is actually 4. Okay, good job to the 52 of you who selected number 4. Let's see who is the fastest. Wow, we got 3 of you at the top spot actually, because your scores are tied. Okay, you need the next few questions to overtake one another. And we got the 4th and 5th placing at 994, only 2 points apart. Alright, so you also still got a chance. Alright, so for those who are joining, The game pin is 285523. Okay, come on in, 285523. Okay, wait for 10 seconds. Alright, converting improper to mixed fraction, it is the other way around. It is by dividing. Okay, example 9 over 5. Okay, 9 divided by 5, closest whole number is 5. When I divide, I will get 1, so 1 whole. Then 9 minus 5, 4, remainder 4, right? Remainder 4 becomes a numerator. So it's 1 whole, 4 out of 5. Alright, so for those who are joining, come on in, 285523. Okay, I'll be waiting for 10 more seconds before I press the next button. Because once I press next, you might miss out question 2 also. Okay, those who are joining, have you all joined? Alright, all good, let's go. Now, question 2 is another order of operation question. Now, 45 divided by 54 divided by 6 plus 3. 34 of you already answered. I'm guessing those who managed to work this out before this. Alright, okay, come on, let's make the life more fun for everyone by not sharing answers on the chat. Okay, so others have an opportunity to have the suspense. Oh, am I correct or am I wrong? Alright. Yes, thank you for the follow. Alright, so for those who are new to Master Math, okay, do follow us so that in the future, for any of our live, you can always be notified whenever we go live. Alright? Dila, the money question is somewhere at the end. Okay? Alright, thank you, Mubashir. Alright, for those who have never, for those who are new, okay, do follow us. Alright? Okay, 10 more seconds for this question. Have every one of you answered? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, very good. 59 of you got the right answer. Good job. Let's see now. Wow, the first 3 maintained with the same score. Very interesting. I've never seen something like this before. Okay, and number 4 and number 5 also still got opportunity to even get the first place. Now, area of triangle question. Find the area of this triangle. Okay, find the area of this triangle. Okay. Somebody say 120. But I think it is 50. I think maybe can be 90 also. Or maybe can be 60. Or maybe none of the above. Alright, so remember, area of triangle is half times the base times the height. Okay, the height of the triangle from the base, a perpendicular height to the tip of the triangle. Dila, I think that is also the correct answer, Dila. Okay, 25 more seconds. Alright, come on everybody, I know you all can do it. Ten more seconds. and we'll know which is the correct answer. And if any of those past top 3 have broken the tie. Alright, yes, the answer is 60, okay, because half times 15 times 8. So become 15 times 4 becomes 60. Alright. Oh wow, lots of changes. Yes. Number 1 is the hero piranha. Okay. And closest with a number 2, difference of only 3 points, the elated bobcat. Number 5 is super raccoon. Alright. And all these 5 people have a chance to actually get the first position also. Their scores are all quite close. Another area of triangle. Okay, same formula as just now, okay? Half times base times height. Forty more seconds. Is it 80, 40, 60 or 70? 25 more seconds. Yeah, white is possible, I think. 54. Where? There's no 54 here. How you get 54? Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Very good, okay? 56 of you got it correct today. Very good for this question. Now, let's see the rankings. Again, the hero piranha and elated bobcat maintain their top 2 position. Okay, so again, remember to stay till the end, okay? At the end, I'll go through the solutions with everyone, okay? Alright, in the meantime, if any one of you would like to join, okay? Remember the game pin is 285523, okay? At the same time, remember we got this Telegram channel. If you are not in yet, okay, you can go to Telegram and join us there, okay? So what can you find in the Telegram channel? You can find our past worksheets and its solution also. At the same time, you can go to YouTube and search for MasterMathsTV, okay, and you will get to see our YouTube live, our YouTube channel. What's there on our YouTube? It also contains our past recorded live sessions, okay? So who knows, maybe you can find the worksheet and match it with the recorded live, and you can even get the solution being explained by the coach during the recorded live session also. Okay? Alright, so if any one of you still joining, I'm giving you all about 10 seconds to join. The game pin is 285523. Okay, we'll end about 8:30 lah. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna do multiplications of fractions. Okay, so remember, if you have a mixed number, before you multiply, you convert it to improper fraction, then you multiply. Alright? There's a mixed number there, right? 1 and 6 over 7, change it to improper fraction, then you multiply. Alright, don't just multiply immediately, you will get the wrong answer for sure. Alright, so convert it to improper, then you multiply. Alright, so about upcoming live, okay, if I'm not wrong, there is a science live coming soon. Alright, and then there's also a there is some secondary school live also on Sunday, okay, but look out on our Instagram to find out more whether it is upper secondary or lower secondary. Okay. Oh, just now I just drank coffee only. Alright, it's coffee. Yeah, so other than that, next week, yes, we'll be having Tuesday's PSLE math live stream and Wednesday P5 live stream. Alright. Okay, 30 more seconds before we'll see what is the correct answer. Okay, what is the correct answer? Oh, because if not, I'll be doing the live like that. Okay? So if you don't want me to do the live like that, then I have to lah. But don't worry, I'll still be able to sleep at night. Okay, yes, the answer is 1 and 4 out of 9. Okay, it's not 1 and 2 over 3. If you would have just multiplied the 6 over 7 with the 7 over 9, you may end up with 1 and 2 over 3. Or 1 and 42 over 63, where both are wrong. Okay, so the answer is, if you were to convert the 1 and 6 over 7 to a improper fraction, then multiply 7 over 9, you will get 1 and 4 out of 9. Okay, now let's see who are the top 5 now. Wow, all 5 of you managed to maintain your positions. Okay, alright, we still have the Hero Piranha at 4,981 and the Super Raccoon at the 5th place. Yes, you may go to the toilet, okay, don't need to ask me. Okay, alright. Alright, now the next one, 3 over 26 multiplied by 1 and 1 out of 12. Okay, so what is the answer? 3 over 26 multiplied by 1 whole and 1 out of 12. So remember, just seem like just now, okay, the mixed number there, change it to improper fraction, then you multiply. Okay, come on, you can do it, let's go. Okay, 1.5 more minutes. Okay, Dila, don't use calculator. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, remember you convert it to improper fraction first. But you are not doing accounting questions now, right, Dila? Alright, 3 over 26 times 1 whole and 1 out of 12. Okay, convert it to improper fraction first, then you multiply. Alright? $30 more seconds. Okay, don't worry, I think they probably already got permission from their parents to be here, okay? 20 more seconds. Are you sure it is blue? Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, correct. The answer is green. Alright? Yes, so when we convert it to improper, the 1 whole and 1 out of 12, then we can multiply and we will get 1 out of it. Alright? Okay, yes. There is a change in the 5th placing, but the rest remain the same. Okay, good job, good job. Alright, so next part, right, we'll be doing internal transfer questions. Alright, so just a quick inform, right? What are the different type of internal transfer questions? Okay, have any one of you come across an internal transfer question? Anyone wants to give suggestion on the chat? Alright, so usually like questions where basically the main thing is about when one of them give to the other some amount. Yes, correct. When they share their amount, it becomes total unchanged. Alright? So it becomes total unchanged. So what does it mean by total unchanged? That means the total at the start is the same as the total at the end. Okay? If there is some total given lah, okay? If not, there are also internal transfer questions that does not involve total. Yes, I'll be going through the solutions at the end. So we will do the problem sums first. After we are done with the Kahoot, I will go through the solution. Alright, no worries. I will take a look again at question 9. Okay, but I will take a look at it after, when we go to the question after this. Alright, so there are two types. One is when they transfer and they ask for such that how much must he transfer so that the other person have like 30 more than the other person, or to make them equal at the end. Alright, or if total is given, then probably we can use the total. Alright, if no other things, let's go look at this question. Johari has $60 more than Shah. How much must Johari give to Shah so that they will have an equal amount of money? Okay, how much must Johari give to Shah so that they will have an equal amount of money? Okay, for those who have the worksheet, right, take note, question 9, right, the amount there is a total amount between Nora and Alisha. Alright, so there's no error lah. Alright, for those who are faster, it's good, but be patient, okay? Give the other some time lah, okay? Oh, stickers and money. Okay. Oh, then it's okay lah. Just assume it's money, okay? For this question, assume that it's money. Dollars. Question 9 is dollars. But for Kahoot, I will be accepting both with dollar or without dollar. Okay. Alright, 1 more minute for those who are still trying. Okay, so Johari got $60 more than Shah. So how much must Johari give to Shah so that they will have equal amount of money? Okay, don't need to put the answer on the chat. put the answer in the Kahoot. Okay, 30 more seconds for those who are still figuring out. Okay, still enough time to actually select an answer, don't worry. Oh no, don't need to find the total this one. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, very good. 36 of you all got it correct. 30, yes, because there's only 60 extra, right? I take half of the 60, I give to Johari, give to Shah, then they got 30 already. Okay. The points are very close. Okay, another double points question. Bob has $90 more than Bill. How much must Bob give to Bill so that he will have $100 less than Bill? This is another type of internal transfer question. Okay, so where basically they want to change the comparison. Alright, so how do we do this? How much must Bob give to Bill so that he will have $100 less than Bill? So how? Initially Bob was more. How much must Bob transfer to Bill so that he will be less than Bill? Is it 90, 95, 100 or 105? All very close. But how? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not 90. Maybe, maybe not. Great. Dila, use ChatGPT Dila. Why? Simple problem sum, use ChatGPT. What if the ChatGPT was wrong? I've ever seen situations where I've ever tested another AI model, and then when we put in some problem sums, they come out with, they accidentally did a wrong step, so they ended up giving out wrong answer. 25 more seconds. Alright, come on, be patient again. Let the few more who haven't answered, give them a chance to answer. Okay, 10 more seconds. And let's see if ChatGPT was correct or not. Alright, yes, ChatGPT was correct for this question. Okay, answer is 95. Alright, the yellow piranha is still at number 1. Good job, good job. And the purple raccoon climbed up. Alright, so before we go to the next question, right, just a quick announcement. Alright, we have free trials for our centers. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, right, we are from MasterMath, so we are located at Farrer Park, Tampines, Woodlands, and Jurong East. Okay, and there's also an online option. So if you need help with your math, okay, and we have classes from primary 1 all the way to O-level math. So in any of these, if you need any help, okay, you can sign up for a free trial to experience our classes firsthand. Alright, you can go to our website mastermath.com.sg to find out more. Alright, now let's go to our last question for today. Okay, Nora and Alicia had $120 at first. Okay, that is the total. After Alicia gave $10, I realized the sticker there. Yeah, after Alicia gave Nora $10, Nora had 4 times as many money as her. How much money did Alicia have at first? Okay, how much money did Alicia have at first? It is asking for Alicia, okay, not Nora. Do you want any medals or award at the carnival? Don't ask for answer. Later the answer come from the chat GPT. Alright. 2.5 more minutes. Yes, there is on Saturday and Sunday. But Sunday is about 5 p.m. Okay, if I'm not wrong, that is upper primary. Then there's another one for upper secondary. Then there's another live for lower secondary. Okay, but do look out in our Telegram and Instagram, okay, for more updates on when are those live. And also follow us, okay. By following us, you'll be notified when the live is on, okay. How much money did Alicia have at first? It may not be 35. 1.5 more minutes. Come on, let's go. For me, I'm focusing more on the primary. Okay, yeah. So, but we have more. We have other coaches that are very good coaches also for secondary school. Lower secondary, I think it's on Saturday, but do follow us, and then when it goes live, right, you'll be notified. Alright, this was the hint I gave earlier, right? When internal transfer, because Alicia gives to Nora, so it's internal transfer, correct? Now their total remain the same. In the end, Nora had 4 times as many stickers as Alicia. So how many units is Nora and how many units is Alicia? And that total units will be your total money. Using that hint, you can actually solve for Alicia. Once you have solved for Alicia, you just need to do one more step to work backwards to find her amount at first. Not that difficult now, right? No, it's money, it's money. Whatever stickers you see there, just convert to money. Alright, after this, right, those who are in P5, P6, don't leave. Especially everyone don't leave, because I'll go through the solutions. Okay, but at the same time also there's an announcement, especially for those P5, P6, and also O-level students also. Yes, the answer is $34, and 16 of you got it correct. Wow, impressive, very good. Oh no, Hero Piranha got beat by only one score. Oh no. Oh, there's another question. Oh yeah, there's one more question. Yeah, I thought that was the last question. So the Hero Piranha got a chance to get back his one score. So this is purely on stems. Bobby has 4 times as many stems as his niece. After Bobby gave 24 stems to his niece, each of them had an equal number of stems. How many stems did they have all together? Okay. So also the same here. Total remained the same. Okay, because Bobby gave 24 stems to his niece. Okay, so there is still a total unchanged. Alright, so you need to take a look at the before. Before, Bobby got how many units? The niece got how many units? Where you can find the total units. And then after, Bobby is equal to his niece. Alright, so then if it's equal, how do you split the initial amount into 2? Okay, so yeah, how do you split the initial total into 2? Because the total still remain the same. So you split the total into 2. Alright, then you can observe the change in the units. There will be an equal decrease and equal increase in terms of units between Bobby and the niece. And that units is 24. The gifter badge, I think, is for when you give lots of likes. Yeah. I think somebody got the correct answer. I saw somebody wrote the right answer. No, Haji, you are wrong. You are a bit off. Come on, retry, okay? Retry. Remember, the hint I gave you was, okay, Bobby got 4 times as many as his niece, right? So at first, Bobby got how many units? The niece got how many units? And then they'll have total units, right? Then in the end, Bobby is equal to his niece, but the total is supposed to remain the same. So when it's remaining the same, how do you split them up equally? Then you will see an equal increase and decrease between them. And the equal amount is supposed to be your units for 24. Yalah, can retry lah, you're working. Oh, but if you already submitted, then I cannot lah. Okay, so how the Hero Piranha, can you overtake that number 1 spot or not? Or are you giving it away to the current number 1 spot? $25 more seconds. Alright, remember after this, don't leave immediately, okay? There is a announcement I would like to make. Alright, especially to those P5, P6 O-level students. Then after that, I will go through the solutions, okay? Alright, how many of you got 80? 19 of you got 80. Wow, very nice. Okay, good effort. Alright, so those who just now were like in the top 5, or especially for those who know you entered the correct answer earlier, and you think that you may have a chance, come on, take a screenshot of this, because you need this QR code later to submit the proof of your number 1 spot and enter your details to get the $10 popular voucher. Alright, so are you all ready to see the score? Okay, number 3, we got the genius goat. Number 2 is Fast Fox. And number 1, the hero piranha got back his number 1 spot. Okay, good job, good job. Alright, so now before we go to the solution, I want to make a very special announcement for an upcoming event. So can every one of you, especially the students who are P5, P6 and also doing O-levels, alright, get your parents quickly, give you 10 seconds, get your parents to join in this live, alright, for me to announce this event. Come on, I give you a quick one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's okay. If your parents are not around, you can help to note down, then later can inform them. Okay? Alright, so we are having another round of PSLE Math and Science Crash Course. This time round, we are having one especially in June. Alright? So, we'll be, for the math, PSLE Math, it will be on the 5th, 12th and 19th of June during your June holidays. And for science, it will be by Coach Ryan on the 4th, 11th and 18th. For math, will be by everyone's favorite, Coach Irfan. Okay, and we'll be holding this on Zoom. So there's a bit of limited number of seats available. Okay, so you must quickly register. Alright, we'll be covering ratio, fractions, percentage, decimals, data analysis, your graph, pie charts and all that, number patterns, volumes and angles. So you can see that most of the topics here, even the P5 can also start to pick up. Okay, but at the same time, best for all those PSLE also to join in. Alright, some of the, and for science also we got topics like diversity, cycles, energy, systems, interactions, and also some tips on answering open-ended questions. Alright, and then we can see here some evidence, some proof that this crash course really helped them. You see all these people getting A1s, okay? I mean AL1 after going for this crash course. Alright. Oh, you are him. Alright, good job, good job. Okay. Alright, so next up, I will go into the solution. Alright, so for those who would like to register, right, you can take a picture of this, okay, or you can go to our website at mastermaths.com.sg to find out more, okay? Alright. Here. Alright, come, let's go through quickly some of the solutions first, okay? So like question 1, okay, we supposed to do what is it called? Board merge, right? We must do the divide first. So we got 25 divided by 5 become 5. Then we have 4 times 4 become 16. Then we do from left to right. So 15 plus 5 first become 20 minus 16 we get 4. Alright, now the next one. We do the brackets first. 54 divided by 6 we got 9. Then another divide, right? So 45 divided by 9 become 5. Plus 3 8. Okay, and area of triangle, I can go through both at the same time. This is the base, this is the height. That's why half times 15 times 8. Alright, become 60. Then number 4, half times 10 times 8 become 40. Okay. Now we can, okay, the fractions multiplication, right? Just now I was saying, convert this to improper first. We got 13 over 7. Cancel this and this, we got 13 over 9. So become 1 and 4 out of 9. We don't have to find the full length. Yes, because you see here, your triangle is actually up to here only. Remember, you see these are all dotted. Dotted means they are not part of the triangle. Okay, something I mentioned to my P5 last weekend is that base is part of the triangle. Height can be outside such that for you to get the tip to the bottom. Okay, but the base must be one of the side of the triangle. Don't extra, don't less. Okay, and then question 6, the 1 and 1 out of 12 I convert to mixed number, become 13 out of 12. 26 and 13 both can divide by 13, become 1 and 2. 3 and 1 divided by 3 become 1 and 4. So we got 1 out of 8. Alright, now we go to the questions about internal transfer now. Okay, so yeah, this one was the one that I was saying just now. I cut the 60 into 2. One of the portion I give to Shah. So I give $30. Okay, if they ask for amount in the end, we don't know. We cannot find that because we don't know. We don't have a way to find out this portion. Okay, now question 8. Question 8 was a slightly challenging one. Okay, Bob has $90 more than Bill. So initially got this $90 more than Bill. Okay, now if I cut out an amount that is extra than 90, I must cut the amount there also. Okay, once I cut the amount there, I transfer to the bottom. You see, I take out this portion, I transfer here. So you got this 90 and this one was from here. Now this whole portion is what we wanted, which is 100 more than Bob. So this is equal to this, right? That's why 190 minus 90 we got 10. And one of this is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 90 plus 5, 95. Okay, now we go to question 9. Okay, again, this is an internal transfer. Like I said, the total remain the same. So total 4 units and 1 unit is 5 unit is 120. So 1 unit divided by 5, we got 24. So now, just now was Alicia gave to Nora. So to work backwards, right, Alicia has to plus 10. That's why there's a 24 plus 10, answer is 34. Alright, and the last question for today. Alright, for this one, let me rewrite in a slightly different way. Okay, I explain the solution I have here first. So initially we got 4 times as many, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 1. Okay, and then from here to here, the 3 boxes, I cut half here. When I cut half here, I cut half here, I cut half here, I cut half here also. Okay, then these 3 I gave to Nora. Okay, so that's why 3 units is 24. 1 unit is 24 divided by 3. 10 units is the whole thing, which is 8 times 10, $80. 80 stamp. Alright, no, we are done with the Kahoot. I'm just going through the solution. Alright, so the other way to do this, right, is that Bobby and Denise, 4 units, 1 unit, total will be 5 units. Okay, then in the end, I want to split these 5 units into 2, right? Okay, because they have equal. So what I do is I times 2, times 2, times 2. So become 8 units, 2 units, and 10 units. 10 units, I split them equally, I will get, this is before and after. 5 units and 5 units. So the change is a minus of 3 units from Bobby that gave to Denise. Okay, that's why 3 units is 24. Okay? Alright, so there are 2 options for this question. Either you can write down the units or you can draw it as a model. Alright, so that's it for today. Alright, we'll be continuing the live next week. How do I get 10? 10 either from here, because just now was 4 and 1. I cut all the box into 2, that's why it become 8 and 2. From here, I times 2 become 10. Okay? Is that okay, Huda? Alright, any other questions from the solution? Alright, if no questions, okay, I'll see you all next week. I'll be doing both the P6 and P5 for next week. Alright? Okay, so yeah, look out for me on both Tuesdays and Wednesdays next week. Alright, and it'll be both at 7:30 p.m. Okay? Oh, okay. Alright, Humaira. Alright, thank you everyone, and see you all next week. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're welcome. Bye-bye, Humaira. Bye-bye. Alright, see you all next week. Bye-bye.